Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today, we will discuss some interesting kitchen tools. Before watching this video, subscribe to the channel as soon as possible and click on the bell icon to watch new videos first. Discover the best kitchen gadgets and tools on Amazon that make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner or a pro chef, these kitchen essentials are must-haves for every modern home. Upgrade your kitchen today with the most useful gadgets and tools available on Amazon. So let's see what products are on the list in this video. Cooking spatula set. Food-grade silicone. Made of food-grade silicone, BPA-free, can be used in any type of food, and it will probably last longer than the other plastic kitchen utensils. These silicone cooking utensils do not react with food or beverages. You don't have to worry about the health of your families will not retain odors or colors. Before the first use, the original smell will disappear after the silicone soaking in water and exposed it to the air for about 3 hours. Best kitchen tools. One-piece stainless steel core to enhance durability and toughness to keep the spatulas from bending or deformation. 33 different shape for its unique function would be your great kitchen helper. A small holes on the handles for easy storage. Extra 10 PCS hooks and utensils holder for convenient storage. A silicone mat provide you more convenience. Great presents for anyone who loves to cook. Also good present set for your friend, family. Astercook knife set. Multipurpose knife set. This kitchen knife set includes 8 chef knife, 8 slicing knife, 7 Santoka knife, 8 serrated bread knife, 5 utility knife, 3.5 paring knife, kitchen shears, and 6 PCS blade guards. Anti-rust coating. The healthy anti-rust coating protects the knife from oxidation and dishwasher safe, while the non-stick coating ensures the blades stay clean all day long. Easy to carry. Each knife comes with a blade guard for safe, compact storage in your kitchen cupboard. These knives are also easy to carry when camping or storing in your RV. Perfect holiday gift. Ideal for kitchen enthusiasts or new cooks, this knife set meets all cooking needs. It makes an excellent holiday gift for family, friends, lover, and colleague. Lifetime warranty. Every knife set is backed by rigorous quality inspection. We provide a lifetime warranty for every customer, ensuring superior customer service and peace of mind with every purchase. Wireless meat thermometer. Perfectly cooked foods. This smart cooking thermometer takes away the guesswork with real-time internal temperature updates, flip reminders, rest indicators, estimated time left, and more. Quad sensors. Get maximum cooking accuracy from any angle with 3 internal and 1 ambient sensor. Unlimited wireless freedom. Long-range connectivity means you can remotely monitor cooking while chatting with friends and family and still get a perfectly cooked meal. Cooking presets. Get help setting optimal cooking times for various foods with choices for meat, cut, and doneness right on the Chef IQ app, or choose from hundreds of delicious recipes. Protect your protein. Ultra-thin design keeps proteins intact and juices inside for perfectly cooked meat every time. Audible and visual reminders. Hear reminders from the charging hub speaker as well as app notifications to ensure you don't miss a thing. Jar revolving countertop spice rack. Set includes 1 rotating spice rack and 20 pre-filled glass spice jars with removable sifter and labeled black caps. 20 essential spices. Includes basil, bay leaves, celery salt, chives, cilantro, coriander, crushed mint, dill weed, fennel seed, herbs de Provence, Italian seasoning, marjoram, oregano, parsley, pizza seasoning, rosemary, savory seasoning, sea salt, sea salt. Stylish storage. The rotating, polished stainless steel rack keeps spices neat and easily accessible on countertops or in cabinets. Free spice refills for 5 years. Eligible for 5 years of free spice refills of your choice. Balloon whisk. Fatigue-free mixing 8.5 plus 10.5 plus 12 thickened wire comfy non-slip grip made Annie whisk can be fatigue-free mixing. Proper balance between floppy and sturdy. More guaranteed than others. Great for non-stick pots, and PNSNE at whisk have sturdy silicone protective cover, which is non-stick itself and won't scratch the non-stick coating in your pots and pans. Easy cleaning after using. Annie whisks are perfect with your cooking ware. SWFT, comfortable, non-slip handle at innovative ergonomic handle shape and soft, comfortable grip to absorb pressure. Its excellent balance and control let you really feel the quality of Annie. HEAT-resistant durable healthy silicones are resistant to heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making them ideal for cooking almost any favorite food. Anti-whisk won't discolor, warp, or melt. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe. Vegetable peeler. Make peeling fruits and vegetables faster and easier with our kitchen fruit and vegetable tool. Featuring a sharp stainless steel blade, this peeler glides smoothly through cucumbers, carrots, potatoes, and more. The built-in container collects peels for a mess-free experience, while the comfortable handle ensures a secure grip. Its convenient hanging design saves space in your kitchen. Perfect for quick meal prep and durable enough for everyday use.